Welcome to Trains with Jake. Today I'll do an unboxing. Right here I have one of the Rapido E8. This is the second part of my order. So I'm going to take the sleeve off. So the model I did the second set, because I did the first set was BN. This one's an Amtrak. It's the Phase 2 paint scheme. So let's get in. As at any moment I recommend you pause so you can see details and stuff. But as I say, manual stickers. You got lots of stickers in here. Same stickers from the other E8, but Rapido. Put this back in. They have a parts manual that also goes with it. Gives you the whole locomotive. And parts all the way down to the detail. So, I will slowly take this apart piece by piece. Foam. Always save the foam. You never know when you need it. So this is what... Right, and I'm going to pull this out. Oh. What we got here? We got... What's like... Grills, ladders. I'll see what that is in a second. Put the phone down. Huh. What is that? Well, oh, okay. This fell off. So I gotta glue that back on. Yay me. But I will keep and, put that right there. But Rapido is pretty good about quality and stuff. And highly detailed. If you give me a sec, I'm gonna put the phone away. Oh, there's the box. Ooh. What you don't see is the fact I'm struggling with the box more than I want to admit. But okay, there we go. Ah. Oh. There we go. Okay. I'll need that later. Small parts. I think these are extra parts you put on. I believe these are the mirrors. I don't know what exactly those are, but that's tape. Don't know why that's there. Okay. So I'm just going to move the locomotive from the conductor side slowly. That one part that fell off goes right there. So I'm just going to have to reattach that. Because that's what it should look like right there. There's the back. I'm sure this is a DC locomotive if I didn't say before. The row number. Ooh, it's kind of unique to put the F right there in blue. Fancy font. Let's see if we can get a clear look at that with the diesel. Well, I'm going to state the assumption that's where they put the diesel in right there. No, it is not. It is the emergency cutoff. The fuel supply right there. wasn't quite sure. There's the front. The engineer seating right there. Wipers. So we're back to the front. There's the top. The underside detail. I'll do this side so you can read the Rapido. But you see the pickups are right there. So I'm gonna grab one of my other E8s and we'll compare the BN. Welcome back. I have just my regular BN. I don't have the executive scheme. But one of the things that I try to get as close as I could. But one of the top things you'll notice on all three is these back right here. This one has the starter. I'm assuming Amtrak did this. So I don't know if Amtrak actually bought some of the BNs that were redone. Or this was just something they did when they had their HEP units. But no beacon. And one of the things you'll notice up front is right there in the pilot. They don't have the pilot doesn't go all the way at the bottom, run like the BN does. But they're pretty darn close in detail-wise. But if you enjoyed this, hit the like button. If you want to stay connected, I recommend you hit subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay connected. Enjoy the rest of your day.